Hi everyone, this is Mel B and I am unboxing today. We're going to try out this cordless, you can see here, USB portable hair straightening brush. And some of the things they say about it is its large battery capacity and its convenience in its size, because I travel a lot overseas, back and forth from America to Europe, and this is what I'm normally, see how big that is? It's huge. It weighs a lot, and every ounce that I can get back in my bag so I can have something else, this is going to save. So this is going to be for day travel, for having in your car, wherever you need to touch up your hair or your wig. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of hair, bio hair, but this is going to be great on my human hair wigs and my synthetic, heat-friendly synthetic wigs. So this has 320 Fahrenheit, 375, and 450. And of course, we're going to, on the synthetics, I would suggest the low, which is the 320, and on the, which is like 160 Celsius. And for your human hair, you can go up the highest. So it comes in high, medium, and low. So it does have 3 settings. And the battery life on this, they're saying, is, let's see here if it's gonna say that. It takes 100 for 160 degrees Celsius, takes only 60 seconds to complete heating. That's really fast. 190, it takes 90 seconds, and 230 takes 170 seconds. So that sounds really great, because you want it to last long, you want the battery to last long, but you want it to charge up really fast. So this has been charging, so I'm going to remove this USB cord and we're going to power it on. So there's just a button to power it on, and it's on, see where it's blinking? So that's for that lowest level. So I kind of want to try this first on my heat-friendly synthetic wig. So we're just going to give that 60 seconds. I'm going to grab back here Drive. Drive is a really nice straight bob. Let me grab it. All right. And I had noticed that she needs heat, because wigs that are heat defiant, they act heat friendly, heat defiant. These ends actually need to have heat applied to it to maintain them to be in really good looking shape, right? The longer ones they get rubbed against and they get pulled on. And so that's gonna actually frizz the ends out a little bit. So I'm gonna put it on. All right, let me give it a nice brush out. So on these heat-friendly wigs, we want to apply a little bit of water. So this is going to be great for those ends. So let's give this a try. I'm going to you always want to put some water on it before you apply any heat to straighten. So I'm just kind of putting it on the ends, not wet, but damp. So let's take a look at it. See, I can run my fingers on it and I can feel that it's a bit frizzy. I'm going to hold this up real close. See how you can see some bends and curls, some little twisties in there where it got frizzed. So we're going to take this. It also has these little outside bristles that keep you from getting too close for the heating elements to the skin or the scalp. So we want to just run it through. Yeah, I could feel the heat in there. You're going to hear sizzle when and that's okay. If you hear water, that's just the water heating up. It's not damaging your wig. I'm going to go on the bottom and the top. Now you can use these to get some curl in them, but I like this one turned under in this long bob. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, do you see the difference? Can you see that? See how that looks really frizzy? And now look how smooth this looks now. Okay, so far this is giving me, yeah, I'm liking that. 2 thumbs up. Let's go ahead and dampen the other side and do it. Let's go again. I'm going to go up top. You can hear that sizzle a little bit. Oops. So we're just running that through like that. So think of the places you're going to be able to use this. On a plane, in the car, on a train. Well, we do have a lot of trains here in Europe. That is one of our main ways of traveling here, so that's not silly for me to actually say that. So there you have it on my heat-friendly synthetic wig, and I think that works really great. You watched it in real time with me because I wanted you to see it in real time. And yes, much better if you go back to the first of it and how full and frizzy the ends looked. And now they look really nice and sleek. So when the test is running your fingers through it, and there you go. Again, this is the cordless hair straightening brush, and it's called Lano. I'm going to leave a link below and a discount coupon code so that you can get a hold of her. They ship internationally. So wherever you are, my friends, my subscribers out there, be able to go and find this. I think it's going to be a great tool and accessory for your heat-friendly wigs. Thank you, and I hope to see you again here in the future. Do it, my darlings. Bye.